What are the main challenges in lubrication for predictive maintenance? A machine with lacks proper lubrication do not last as long and requires additional maintenance, repairs, and can even be a safety hazard. There are 4 steps in lubrication for predictive maintenance. 1. Contamination. Contamination refers to foreign particles such as dust, dirt, water, and other debris mixing with the lubricant, which reduces the lifespan and effectiveness of the lubricant. 2. Improper lubricant selection. Using the wrong type of lubricant can have a significant negative impact on the effectiveness of a lubrication system. 3. Over-lubrication or under-lubrication. When it comes to lubricating machinery, there is a balance between over-lubrication and under-lubrication for maintaining an efficient lubrication system. 4. Temperature extremes. In cold environments, lubricants can thicken, which can impair the flow and effectiveness of the lubricant, whereas in hot environments, lubricants may get too thin, which reduces protection.
Autonomous Fluid System by Antares.